Are your emails are getting open? If not, it's time to change the strategy. Hi, I'm Dr. Karuna. I'm a veterinarian turned digital entrepreneur. Let's get started on this video right now. Okay. In this video, I'm going to share you the ultimate email marketing strategy that I'm following, which you can exactly model and you can exactly copy. Okay. Let's get started. Please take notes. Okay. So I'm going to share the 5-step proven method which you can use immediately to get the results tomorrow. Okay, so let's get into this. So the first step when it comes to email marketing, if you're not yet watched the principles behind email marketing, just go and watch my previous video where I'll show exactly why you must start email marketing in this day and age. Okay, so with this being said, let's get into the 5-step methodology. So the first step is deletion. Okay, see, you need to delete people who are not active, people who are not engaging on whatever emails you are sending. Okay, it is not that you can build your email list bigger. அந்த இமெயில் லிஸ்ட்ல இருக்கவங்க எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு ஆக்டிவா இருக்காங்க. Does the subscribers are engaging with your content? Very, very important. If they are not engaging, if they are not opening your emails, just delete those subscribers. Okay, those are all baggages that you are carrying with you that is not going to add any value to your email list. So the first step is delete the inactive subscribers. People who are constantly, consistently not opening the emails, they're not going to open. Okay, so delete those. Because why I'm telling this, because if people are not opening the emails, what those email providers will do, okay, those email providers will think that you are just sending random messages. They will put you in the spam category. Your emails will not get delivered in the inbox for other people also. Okay, so you should not go into that category according to the email uh, providers list. Okay, so for that you need to delete the people who are inactive in your list. And also it helps in many ways. It will help you to increase your open rate if you have the quality subscribers list, and that will have a good reputation among the email providers. If that is there, your open rate will be higher, your delivery rate will be smoother, and your um, results will be much, much higher. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is deletion. The principle is multiplication through subtraction. Okay, people always think that we need to add more email, we need to add more email list. No, it's not true. Okay, whatever email list you have, just manage it right. Okay, do it right. Okay, so delete, I know it is controversial, but this is what working, and this is what you need to practice. Okay, I'm just telling through my experience. Okay, and I've studied a lot of email marketing guides, okay, across people who are doing very, very well. I've researched about this and I've practiced it for myself. Just model it. Okay, and that is the first step. And the second step is personalization. Okay, once you have the quality email list of subscribers, you need to personalize the messages. Okay, instead of talking in plurals and passive languages, just personalize it to one particular person. Even though you have thousands of email subscribers, you need to talk to one person. Okay, for example, you can mention their name in the email whatever you're sending multiple times. Okay, hi, hi personal name, and also multiple times if you're mentioning. That's the great way, because the sweetest word for any human being to hear is their own names. Okay, so please always personalize. That's a very, very good strategy to to increase your open rates and also to increase your click-through rates. Okay, that's the second proven strategy. Okay, the third step is segmentation. Okay, see, you should not treat all subscribers as same status. Okay, you should treat different category. You should create different categories of your subscribers. For example, buyers, non-buyers, or customers, non-customers. Okay. In customers also you can categorize who are all top customers, who are all middle customers, who are all bottom customers, like silver customers, gold customers, diamond customers. This is what I will categorize in my business. Okay. So which is low paying, middle paying, and high paying. Okay. And when it comes to uh, people who are not buying, they are just leads. You can categorize them as either they have either they are showing interest or they are not shown interest. Okay. என்னுடைய இதில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா வந்து I categorize people as webinar attended, webinar missed, webinar attended but not purchased, and some people are just consuming the content alone. Okay, people are downloading the videos or people are getting the PDFs. Those are all my just consumers. Okay, content consumers. Okay, you can categorize them, and also you can categorize based on the demographics, based on the psychographics, based on their profiles, like entrepreneurs, business owners, students, employees, or working professionals, like doctors, startups, multiple things you can do. Okay, if you can segment it, and if you can send the messages based on those segments. See, why should you send the already உங்ககிட்ட purchase பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா அந்த கஸ்டமருக்கு why should you send the other messages? Okay, if he is already buying, you should send more upsells, you should send more products, more offers. If he is not at buying, you should send more thing. Okay, right? So always create segmentation and always send separate messages to each segmentation. Okay, that is the trick here. Okay, that's the third part. And fourth step is experimentation. Okay, always do experimentation. Test. Okay, see, whatever I'm sharing, it's definitely it's going to work, but you need to test for your own industry, for your own email list, for your own persona of the customers, because I do not know what works for you. Okay, you need to experiment, you need to experiment with the design of the uh, content you're sending, experiment with the buttons. Okay, test the A/B testing for the email headlines or email hooks. Okay, also you can use emojis, you can use newsletter format like black and white, like how Apple are using. Okay, you should try different combination and create the data. Based on the data, you can analyze what is working. Okay, so always experiment. Experimentation is the key, and find out what is working for you. Okay, just start what is working for you, do continuously do more of what is working for you, and stop what is not working for you. Okay, that's the fourth step. And the final step is automation. This is crazy, right? Whenever people register for anything, right? Whenever people are buying something, whenever people are clicking but not buying, you should send an automated triggered message. Okay, the automated triggered message has much more open rate and much more response rate. Okay, so there is something called autoresponders in each email providers. They have autoresponders. If you use them right, it's going to completely change the game for you. Okay, so just a quick recap. The first step is deletion, and the second step is personalization, and the third step is segmentation, and the fourth step is experimentation, and the fifth step is automation. This is the ultimate email marketing strategy that I'm following over the years. It just works. Okay, if you just follow this, this is going to work. The industry average rate of open rates and click-through rate is 10.11%. For me, it is 18 to 20%. Sometimes it go up to 25 to 30% also. It's because of following certain specific strategies. If you're not using email marketing, then you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Okay, I have to tell you this because email is like a ATM machine. Okay, வெளியே ஏடிஎம் மிஷின் போனீங்க அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு காசு போட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு it will give you money, right? In internet, in the online marketing, email list is your ATM machine. Okay, whenever you want money, you just send out email, you will get money, you will get paid people. Okay, so that is how I'm looking the email marketing. It is the only marketing that you have your full control. Okay, so if you're not using email marketing, I suggest you to go ahead and implement it right away. If you're using it already, I suggest you to use it the right away. Okay, so with that being said, the action step for this video, whatever you've learned right so far, put this into action. Okay, so um, click the in the description கீழே பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு I have given the link for ConvertKit, and ConvertKit is the ultimate email marketing platform when it comes to promoting your products, when it comes to promoting your services. Okay, that's the most simplistic platform I've ever seen. I've worked with multiple platforms, but this is the best tool I've ever used. Okay, just click the link below in the description. I've given you in the description the link. Okay, go and sign up. If you do not sign up for the free account, if you already sign up, just use all the crazy things, right? If you're starting off, just go and explore. It's just going to blow away. Okay, make sure you put this knowledge into action. Just click the link below in the description and just get started with a free account, or if you wanted to upgrade, just upgrade. Automations and all, it will be in the paid account only. Okay, so just go for it. I hope this email marketing strategy will work forever for you. Okay, so if you've just completed this action step, I have one important step, which is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment this video on what is that you're learning and what do you like to more about on these aspects. Okay, just also type that subscribe this channel so that you will get notified on my future videos. Okay, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.